Hey everyone! Okay, so I got my Spellbinders in. I'm still sick, so it's only been almost a month, but I got my Spellbinders in, and let's go through it. I'm so excited. Now I was contemplating, getting rid of the subscription, and then last month's really kicked butt, and I thought, oh no, I really want to keep it, so then I kept it. So let's see what we get. Okay, we get some sequins. I'm gonna scooch you in. And unfortunately I'm sick, so I'm gonna end up choking. So sorry ahead of time, but I really wanted to film this. Ooh, so excited. Okay, so we got sequins, a little jar of sequins, gold sequins, which is cool. And then, oh, look at the stickers. Oh, look how cool these are. These are some cool stickers. I bet they're acetate. So you can either, because acetate is hard to see through pictures, or sometimes it's better like on black paper, but what you could do is just put it on like white cardstock and then fussy cut it out, and that's easy enough to do. The bullies are in. Oh, look at how pretty. What pretty colors. I love that. Okay, and then, oh, let's see what we get for the stamp set. So the stamp set is, oh, look how cute. It's a milk jug. Oh, those old-fashioned milk jugs. Love that. And you can do a lollipop. You can do that with paper and fussy cut that out. That's awesome. Okay, and then you get the standard 10 envelopes, 10 cards. Yeah, I think it's 10. Yeah, 10 cards, 10 envelopes. That's your standard. And then you get the foam dots and the rolled adhesive. And this is what else you get. You get the papers. You get coordinating papers, which is the blue, baby pink, a white, a gold, and a yellow, and a black. So that's cool. Okay, and then, oh, you get, what is this? This is vellum sheets, I think. 2 vellum foil sheets. Ooh, look how pretty those are. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? These are vellum sheets. So just run those through your sticker maker if you need help adhering them to paper. Or, strategically place a sticker over it. So, okay, let's go. Let's look at this. We get 3x4 cards. Sorry, I can't breathe. And they're double-sided. This color reminds me of the Heidi Swapp or Dear Lizzie collection. I think it's Heidi Swapp's collection that reminds me of. You can totally fussy cut that out. It's cute. Can we start the weekend over again? I wasn't ready. That's cute. Oh, and purple. Love the purple. You had a birthday and some banners. Happiness award. How cute. Okay, so that's that. And then you get the paper pad. The paper pad is pretty colors. Butterflies. Like a paint splatter. Floral. Dots. Oh, I love the sunburst. I love when we get the foil stuff. The foil stuff is fun. I like that. I'm going to show you when we're done with this video, when I'm done showing you what we get, how I store them. Because the way I store them is so nice for me to have it all nice and neat and easy to access. I have easy access to it, and it's great. So, okay, and you get 2 of each paper. So that's cool. Okay, and now let's see the die cuts. I'm excited about the die. I love getting all these die cuts. You usually get 2 of each. So let me put it on the background here. They're like foiled. An elephant with a party hat. How cute. You get little pieces, some leaves. I love these little bingo tags. They're just so cute. Oh, look at how pretty the butterflies are. Very nice. You get different colors. Ooh, look at how pretty this rainbow is too. This is happy. Love those. Cute. Cute, so cute. Candles. Sunshine. Hooray. Balloons. Oh, these are balloons. Then they have little donuts. Oh, cute. Donuts are life, you guys. Heart. So loved. More candles. More flowers and leaves. More bigger donuts. Those look delicious. Cotton candy. No, this is an ice cream. That's like a soft serve, but this is cotton candy. So you get cotton candy pink and cotton candy green. Or it's like a mint. It's more of a mint. Oh, look at that. I love those. I love tickets and I love those kind of things. And ampersand. Oh, this is like a, I think that's, I mean, I guess you could use it as a party hat. You could put like a little, one of those little pom-poms on top and make it into a hat. Or you can make it into an ice cream cone. All you need is love. Wedges. Oh joy. Look at this. These are the, what we got last month, I think, was the balloon die. Today is the You Are Hello. And then camera. Happy birthday. I'm happy with the last two kits. Like the colors of them have been awesome. Gorgeous. Amazing. Spectacular. Wonderful. Oh, and look at, I love that. So cute. Oh no, this is this month's kit. I'm telling you guys, that's why I don't look at sneaks, because now I get all confused. But I couldn't help myself, so I looked at sneaks. So this is the die you get this month, and it is the balloons. And look at how cute is that. And then you can make eyeglasses. I saw that. You can make, hold on, I'm gonna choke, hold on. The eyeglass strap. So you can make the heart, like the hearts that were in here, like this. You can make a coordinating die one. So isn't that cute? So, and then you have candles. You put it down. You have candles. Joy. Oh joy, it says. Oh joy. And then you can do your balloon animal and then make extra parts, and that way you can make it like 3D. So it can totally go 3D if you put it together. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it, but if you were to make extra pieces, it would be able to pop dot it. So that's pretty cool. And then the candles. Awesome. I love this kit. Now let me show you how I store my kit. Now I store my kits in these things. These are from Daiso's. They're the $1.50 Japanese store that's usually in the mall. But this is what it looks like. And I know they do shipping. So let me show you. And if you want to pause the video and see what it says. But this is the number for it. Now this fits perfectly, the whole kit. So this is how I store it. Now when you get your box, on your edge of your box, it has right here what the card kit is. It tells you what it is. Will it focus? Let me see. Will it focus? There's probably too much going on. Anyways, the label's there. So what I do is I rip the label off, and then I add it to the front of the front of the box, and then that way I know which kit this belongs to. And then look, it fits perfectly. So everything fits inside here. All 10 envelopes, 10 everything fits in here. So that's how I keep it together, and that way if I want to take it to my desk, or if I have a thing I want to go to and I need a craft, all I have to do is grab the this thing. It's messed up right now because I messed it up, but it pops back in. It's not a big deal. It's just me being a little rough right now. So, But anyway, so this fits perfectly. And then you just open it, and all I do is throw everything in here. That way I don't lose anything, and it's so great. It really is. So this is how I store mine. So hopefully you guys get something useful out of this, because I think it's great. I love the fact that, yeah, all I have to do is grab this and I'm good to go. I have all my supplies, especially because they give you the they give you all the adhesive, so you even have that to go, you know, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, okay guys, so that's it. Yeah, so I'll talk to you all next month. Thanks, bye.